What was that about? I'm speechless right now. Are you really?
I'm not like ashamed or nothing, you know what I'm saying? I held it down. That's, you know, I feel like she disrespected me. So
You're not embarrassed, you're not ashamed. I mean, it's just who you are.
that's how I've always reacted. And, you know, when situations get deep like that, I've always been like that. Well, I'm a defensive person and I can't apologize for who I am. You know, if you walk around being so passive, especially in the world, where are you gonna get? You know, I give people respect. I walked in the house and I shook everyone's hand, I looked in the eye, and I, you know, gave everybody respect. But that's what I want in return.
But you know what, Tyler? Everybody's not gonna respect you. They're not. They're not gonna respect you. Everybody doesn't respect me either.
Caroline, going good summer. What are you doing?